star ingredient found in Drinkable TV's featured drink The Rolling Stone is not an ingredient at all, but an essential bar tool, the shaker. In 1884, the cocktail shaker, also known as the cobbler shaker, was invented. It was made of metal and had a built-in strainer. After the 20th century invention of stainless steel, bar shakers took on a new and shiny appearance. The number one rule of using a cocktail shaker used to be that if a cocktail contains citrus, egg, cream, or any juice as an ingredient, a shaker should be used to ensure proper incorporation with the spirit. As time progressed, bartenders started using shakers to make all kinds of cocktails, regardless of their components. Some bartenders believe that it makes drinks colder. Others use shakers when the bar gets too busy and they don't have time to properly stir a drink. Still others like the showmanship of the shaker. Whatever the reason, everyone can agree a shaker is a necessity of any bar.